Hello students, I hope you all are doing your study well. As you all know, we are doing lesson 6 and today it's time to cover the last topic of this lesson, the fourth topic, services. Services are the actions or the help given to someone. That's why here it is written that services cannot be seen, they can only be felt. We can just feel that services. We cannot see them. There are so many places around you which provide you a lot of services like hospital, market, bank, schools, many more. To know this term better, let's take an example of a service of a place that is a school. School is providing education to the children's. That education is a service. As it cannot be seen, the education can only be felt through the students' behavior, through their achievements. Now talk about the places given here and find what are the services we are getting from these places. Hospital is a place where people who are ill or injured are treated and taken care of by the doctors and nurses. In the hospitals, the people who are ill means suffering from a disease or injured. Injured means the one that has broken his leg or a bone or meeting with an accident. That is injured person. The doctor treats these people, they take care of them. How? They take care or they treat the patient with their experience, with their expertise. Now what is that? Experience here means if that person, that is doctor, is working in that hospital from many years, that is his or her experience. Expertise means he or she is expert in his field. That's why they are able to treat the patients. So in the hospitals, ill or injured people are treated. We are getting the services from the hospitals, these services. And now the market. In the market, you can get the things of your needs. You can buy something and give money for it. You all know if you buy something from the market, you have to pay the money for it. Market provides you the things of your needs. There are different shops in the markets like green grocery shop. This kind of shop sells fruits and vegetables. Any shop, if it sells fruits and vegetable, that is green grocery shop. Stationery shop sells paper, pencils, pens, erasers, etc. All the material that you need for your work, that you need for your study, that is you can get from stationery shop. Crayons, colors, painting, scales, many more. The shop that provide these material, that is stationery shop. Optical shop, this kind of shop sells glasses and contact lenses. What are the glasses? You can see this person is wearing. It can be a glass to protect yourselves from sun rays, like some people like to wear sunglasses, or contact lenses. If to recover eyesight, some people wear glasses, yes, but in place of that, if you don't want to wear glasses, you can wear contact lenses. It can also help you to improve your vision. Yes. Now come here, supermarket. It is a large shop and that sells mostly food and household items. Supermarket is not a normal shop, it is a large shop, and it has a lot of things that one needs for a house. You can get food items also from this kind of shop, and there is household items like utensils, furniture is also sometimes available in these kinds of shops. uh, there you can see from the picture, it is a very big shop, and different sections are made here, and different things you can get from this shop, as it is a very large shop. So I hope so today's video is clear to you, that is about services, the help we are getting from the places around us. Thanks and have a nice day.